Welcome students. Now in today's class 7th subject mathematics and today's topic is practical geometry. In this topic we learn about geometrical construction. Today's first geometrical construction is construction of a line parallel to a given line through a point not on it. Construction of a line parallel to a given line through a point not on the line. Students, today we will learn about this construction. First of all, we write a heading given. Here we have given a line L and a point A outside the line. Here a line L is given and a point A is also given, which is outside the line. Now second heading is required. Our requirement is to construct a line M parallel to L and passing through a point A. Now our third heading is steps of construction. Before writing the steps of construction, we have to do actual construction. So in this construction, a line L and a point A which is outside the line L is given. So first of all, we draw a line L by using ruler. By using ruler, we draw a line L. Now this is the line L. Take a point A outside the line L. Suppose A point is here. Again, take a point B on the line L. Take a point B on the line L. And join B to A. Join B to A. After joining B to A, take the compass and take the center B with convenient radius. Draw an arc. Take the compass and take the center B with convenient radius and draw an arc which intersect the line L at C. Line L at C, which intersect the line L at C and BA at D. This arc intersect the line L at point C and it intersect BA at point D. Now again, taking A as center, draw an arc with the previous radius which intersect the BA at point G. Name this arc as EF, which cut the AB at point G. Now place the pointed tip of this compass at point C and open it in such a way that pencil tip reach at point D. After that, take G at center and cut on the arc EF, which intersect the arc EF at point H. This is the point H. Now with ruler, join AH, join AH to make the line M, which is parallel to L. This is the construction of parallel line. Now come to the steps of construction. Now the first point is draw a line L and a point A outside L. In this construction, draw a line L and a point A outside the line L. Now second point is take any point B on L and join B to A. Take any point B on L and join B to A. After that, third point, with B as center and a convenient radius, draw an arc cutting L at C and BA at D. We draw an arc taking B as radius, which cut the line L at point C and BA at point D. Now fourth point is, now with A as center and the same radius as in step 3, draw an arc EF cutting AB at G. Taking A as center and previous radius, draw an arc EF which cut the BA at point G. Now next point is place the pointed tip of compass at C and adjust the opening so that pencil tip at D. Pointed tip putting at C and adjusting it such that CD distance come on the compass. Now next point, step 6 is with the same opening as in step 5 and G as center, draw an arc cutting the arc EF at H. Taking G as center and the same radius on compass, cut the arc EF which cut the arc EF at point H. Now next step is now join AH to draw a line M. In this way, we can draw line M parallel to L. These two lines M and L are parallel to each other because alternate interior angle are equal. So we can say that this line M is parallel to line L. Now come to the second construction. Dear students, our second geometrical construction number 2 is construction of triangle. In this construction, we learn how to construct a triangle if some components of triangle are given. Now take an example. Construct a triangle DEF such that DE equal to 5 cm, DF equal to 3 cm and angle FDE equal to 90 degree. That is, measure of angle FDE equal to 90 degree. By taking this example, we construct the triangle DEF. Before constructing this triangle, we give a heading given, and in this given heading we write the components of triangle DEF which are given in example. A triangle DEF in which DE equal to 5 cm, DF equal to 3 cm and measure angle FDE is equal to 90 degree. Now next heading is required. Here we require to construct triangle DEF. Now before starting the construction, we should draw rough figure of the triangle DEF. Now rough figure of the triangle DEF is like that. This is triangle DEF. Triangle DEF. In this triangle DEF, measurement of side DE is 5 cm. Measurement of side DF is 3 cm. And angle FDE, this angle is equal to 90 degree. It is the rough sketch of the triangle DEF. Now we draw the actual construction by seeing the rough figure. First of all, draw DE equal to 5 cm. DE equal to 5 cm. Draw DE equal to 5 cm. Side DE of the triangle is equal to 5 cm. This is DE. Now at the point D, construct an angle of 90 degree by using compass. Take the compass and put the pointed tip of the compass at point D and draw an arc like this. Without changing the radius of the compass, put the tip of compass at point A. A is the point where intersect the compass, the side of triangle D at point A. Now put the tip of the compass at point A and draw an arc which intersect the previous arc at point B. Now again by same arc distance, put the tip of compass at point B and draw another arc which intersect the previous arc at point C. Again, without changing the length of arc, put the pointer of compass at point B and draw an arc like this, and again putting the tip of compass at point C, draw an arc which cut the previous arc at point P. This is the point P. Now with the help of ruler, join DP. With the help of ruler, join DP, and this angle is now 90 degree. Now in the rough figure, DF is given 3 centimeter. So with the help of ruler, take a distance of 3 centimeter on the compass. Take the distance 3 centimeter on the compass. Now it is 3 centimeter. Now put the tip of compass at point D and cut 3 centimeter length in DP. Now this cutting point is the point F. DF is equal to 3 centimeter. Now join EF with the help of ruler. This DEF is the required triangle. Now construction of this triangle is complete. Now come to the next heading, steps of construction. Students, now come to the next heading, steps of construction. Now step 1, draw B equal to 5 centimeter. Step 2, at point D, draw an angle of 90 degree. Step 3, on DP, cut DF equal to 3 centimeter. Step 4, join EF. Now triangle DEF is the required triangle. Triangle DEF. DEF is the required triangle. Students, in this way we can construct any triangle whose some dimensions are given to us. Thank you.